Today, I want to show you the easiest way to collect education program listings from Chegg.com. No scraping experience required. Go to the Chegg page where you can already see the education programs you want to scrape. From here, just click the Minexa.ai extension icon in your browser toolbar to get started. With Minexa.ai open, press the I'm on the right page button to start analyzing the education program listings. Done already. Minexa.ai detected the content block and locked in pagination settings automatically. At this point, select List Only or Enable Detail Pages so Minexa.ai scrapes each program's detail page. Keep it simple with Continue or select Advanced if you need to trigger buttons or inputs before results appear. The highlighted block is all Minexa.ai needs to create your scraper. This one-time analysis extracts similar pages automatically. Minexa.ai identified every piece of data on the page, such as program titles, descriptions, certification details, and durations, all without you specifying anything. If you're a developer, click API Request to get reusable scraper templates with no reprocessing needed for any URL. Confirm your setup by clicking Complete Configuration to finalize the scraper and get it ready. Minexa.ai automatically highlights the Next Page button for navigation. Adjust if needed or continue as is to handle pagination. Final step. Optionally add a schedule or connect Google Sheets, then create the scraping job to start collecting data. Just click Run and extraction begins immediately, gathering all education program listings from Chegg.com. Hidden data, like image links and non-visible details, are included too. You'll see program names, certification types, providers, and durations, all organized perfectly for your use. Hit Export, and your full dataset downloads immediately, ready to use in Excel or other tools. That is Minexa.ai. Any website like Chegg.com turns into a rich dataset in minutes, with no complex setup or hidden costs.